The HUAWEI Nova 15 Pro will be a premium mid-range smartphone with a strong focus on flagship level photography. The HUAWEI Nova 15 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious contender in the premium mid-range space. The phone will be feature a LTPO OLED touchscreen display, 1.5K resolution with 6.78 inches screen size and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The smartphone will be powered by Kirin chipset. RAM will be 8 and 12 GB and storage will be 256 and 512 GB. There will be triple camera setup back on this phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide. Battery capacity will be a 6000 mAh. The Nova 15 Pro runs on Harmony OS. That's all for now. Friends, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.